Alright, just going to be a quick little unboxing and showing of this 5-piece aviation wrench set that I bought on Amazon. Now, I've been looking at the Snap-on ones for about a year, maybe a year and a half, and I really wanted to buy them. But at the same time, this one little aviation wrench right here costs $100 Canadian, which to me is extremely expensive. Now, I'm not knocking Snap-on; they have the reasons for putting stuff so pricey, but at the same time, it's $100 for one wrench. So I was looking around on Amazon, and then I came across this guy. Now, this is a 5-piece extra long, and there's a reason why I put the Snap-on one here. We're going to do some comparisons with it. Now, this one is drop forged, mirror polished, chrome vanadium steel, and sizes are 8 and 10, 12 and 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Now, those are great sizes to have onto your wrenches. The main ones that I'll be using is going to be the 10, the 12, the 14, and the 18, and the 17. So, we're going to take them. We are going to open this guy up. And it comes into this nice little package. I'm not going to be keeping the case because it's just going to be going into my box anyway. But let's take an unroll and see what we have. So, as you can see here, it's a very nice layout, and it comes in this nifty little case. So we have a 8 and 10. We have a 12 and 13, and it is a very nice polished chrome finish. There are some imperfections into it, but for the price, look, I'm not gonna sit there and complain about that. Your 14 and 15. Your 16 and 17. Just to show you guys how long this actually is, it's not even fitting on the screen. And 18 and 19. Now, you might be asking yourself, why would you want wrenches like this? Well, if you ever done serpentine belts or exhaust manifold bolts or something like that, so sometimes it's just very, very hard to get the tools inside of places, and you need that extra reach. Well, these tools right here give you that extra reach. Now, they do have ratcheting ones also, but I chose not to buy the ratcheting ones because I don't really feel the need for them. But now we're going to do a little comparison for you guys. This is the Snap-on. It's shorter than the 18 and 19. It is shorter than the 17 and the 18, the 16 and 17, and it is shorter than the 14 and 15. Now, it's almost the exact same size as the 12 and 13. So right off the bat, you get more leverage with this tool. Now, the only thing that Snap-on does have nicer than this tool is that it is a lot thinner. You can see the thickness. Okay, but I don't really believe that that's going to be an issue. But at the same time, until I tried this out onto some vehicles, I can't really say 200%. But Snap-on does have a thinner wrench than this company. But like I said, I don't really believe that that's going to end up being an issue. So that's pretty much it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you guys next time.